Creating vectors, MATLAB tutorial. Method 1. To create row vector. To create a row vector using square brackets, simply list the elements of the row vector between the square brackets. Method 2. To create row vector. Another method, use the comma to separate the values between square brackets. Method 1. To create column vector. To create a column vector using square brackets, the semicolon is used to separate the values. Method 2. To create column vector. Another method to create a column vector is by using the transpose operation. In MATLAB, the apostrophe or single quote is used to convert a row vector into a column vector. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.